Those storms have arrived in Northeast Ohio. This is video this morning from Elizabeth Van Mitri. She's out monitoring conditions on the road. Not as severe for us here, thankfully, but you know, they are still some pretty strong thunderstorms. Elizabeth was supposed to be at St. Malachy's Run this morning, canceled probably because of lightning.
Absolutely, and there was a light show this morning, particularly in our western communities, and this is going to be something that this isn't just one and done. If maybe they could postpone it, but we've got another round of rain right on its tail here. And as you mentioned, that this storm system has been wreaking havoc on the United States. Yesterday, all to the west. This was at 8:15 last night. The red boxes, those are all tornado watches. When you see the pink boxes or the polygons, that's where you have tornado warnings. Overnight tornadoes are the most scary situation, honestly. A lot of people just don't have their full guard up. And this is kind of taking the good with the bad. When you get these warm days, it's lovely. Yesterday was fantastic, but it also then comes with the reality of spring, and that includes the threat for stronger severe storms. Thankfully, nothing like what they're going to be dealing with already out to our west, and then today down into the deep south on our Gulf Coast states here. From Jackson, Mississippi, Birmingham, Alabama, this area is expected to be hit the hardest, but honestly, even expanding all the way up to Nashville, down to Mobile, Alexandria, New Orleans, all included on some really high level risks of severe weather. Back at home, we have a level 1 out of 5 in comparison to a 5 out of 5. So yes, we've already seen one severe thunderstorm warning for hail. All modes of severe weather on the table for today, with the biggest threat being winds. Even when it's not storming though, we will still have some gusty winds. And then the threat continues off to the East Coast tomorrow. This is what the radar looks like right now. Still a light show across Northeast Ohio, but the worst of it was farther to the west, kind of weakening as it moves through. The next line that's already pushing into our most western communities around the islands, for example, you're just seeing some rain associated with this because our atmosphere has already been worked over. We've got some heavy rain right now from Parks Corner up into about the Menor and Paynesville area. It's a downpour there. And of course, you're probably hearing the thunder, seeing the lightning, maybe some small hail in there as well, although the hail risk has come down. Calming things down a bit, especially with rain intensity from Cleveland to about Brunswick. But Lorraine, you're also seeing a pocket of some heavy rain. As we move throughout the course of this morning, heavy rain and gusty winds are going to be the biggest issue, along with, of course, the lightning threat. Dalton, heavy rain for you straight over into New Philly, Tuscarawas County. You're starting to see some of that heavier rain. And here's the more widespread showers. This gets in and out of here pretty quickly. By about 10, 11 a.m., we're already starting to see drier conditions. And in the meantime, of course, this warmth helping to fuel these showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures already 20 degrees warmer than yesterday, upper 50s, low 60s. We'll likely see highs today, upper 60s, low 70s, so we'll gain about 10 degrees. We will have dry periods, particularly this afternoon, but we'll be windy during that time as well. We have a wind advisory for almost all of our communities. It was expanded in area and time. For example, now in our eastern communities, everybody under effect now, with the exception of our southern and eastern communities, but there are different end times. For example, the primary snow belt, 2 p.m. Sunday compared to our western communities at 8 p.m. tonight. The winds will start to diminish for everybody by Sunday, but again, gusts over 45 miles per hour and even at times over 50 will be possible. That's enough to cause damage even without any thunderstorms. Futurecast shows us here that we will have some dry time this afternoon, but we're just waiting for that next round of more widespread and heavy rain to be moving through by tonight. Look at how widespread it is after midnight. We'll continue then until early on Sunday with a gradual drying trend and a gradual cooling trend as well. The high temperature tomorrow is deceiving. 58 degrees. Okay, sure, maybe at midnight, maybe around 8 a.m. But then by the time we get to the afternoon, low 40s, and we'll be dropping into the 30s by the time we get to Sunday night, St. Patrick's Day. You'll need your green coat. It's going to be chilly. Temperatures only in the 40s. Out and about this morning, keeping an eye on the storms, is Elizabeth Van Mitri in Storm Tracker. How are things looking compared to just a couple of minutes ago?
You know, it seems like the rain has dissipated quite a bit, but as I mentioned earlier today, it seems to come in pockets. What has been steady across the board is that thunder and that lightning that you were just talking about. We have continued to see a light show put on today. I want to go give you a peek of the roads this morning. You can see that they look nice and glazy. A reminder to slow down if you're heading out this morning. The roads definitely already have quite a bit of moisture on them, and throughout the day we're expecting more and more to continue to pile on. So just be wary of that if you're heading out this morning. If you got big St. Patrick's Day plans, also double check and make sure those are still going on today. There is a possibility that a lot of that stuff is canceled. As Tessa was just mentioning just a few minutes ago, that St. Malachy's Fun Run was canceled today. We also know that we have another St. Patrick's Day 5K happening later today. So just keep your eyes out on that stuff. Make sure that those things are still going on. Taking a look here, we're about to get on the highway here towards Paynesville. You can see as we're turning this corner, you can see just how much rain is on the highways as well. People driving by. It does seem that people are driving a little slower than usual. A smart move this morning if you do have to head out, because we are having all this rain on the road, and also when certain areas it's hard to see, visibility is definitely down in certain areas that are impacted with more rain right now. We're kind of in a lull, but we will bring you back more information as we hit some areas that we're seeing a little bit more rain. For News 5, Elizabeth Mitri, back to you.
Thanks.